Never forget the essentials. I'm gonna show you how to stay on top of your shopping needs with Alexa. Here's your Alexa feature to try. Alexa makes shopping easy and convenient, so you never run out of the things you need. Make sure to try the Alexa reorder feature. When you use this feature, Alexa will quickly suggest products based on your previous Amazon orders. Here's how it works. Alexa, reorder dishwasher pods.
One moment. Showing results for dishwasher pods. It's based on your order history.
Reorder option number 1.
Added to cart.
And just like that, you avoided another trip to the store. It's as simple as saying, Alexa, reorder. Alexa, reorder paper towels.
One moment. Showing results for paper towels.
It's as easy as that.